Hello, good evening. This is Ryogaku once again, and thank you for checking out our accounts, our posts. So for today, I'll be discussing briefly about the cost of studying in Japan. Right? So Japan is one of our pioneer programs. We started promoting it since 2012. So papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga possible cost ng gagastusin. So in Japan, for an international student, marami kang pwedeng i-take ng program. Either language program, Senmongaku, or yung associate degree, bachelor's, master's, or even PhD. So the cost I'm showing you is usually the general amount. So average ang pagbabasehan natin para you can easily determine kung para sa inyo ang cost ng studying in Japan and if kakayanin. If you've seen our last post about South Korea, it is self-sustaining. Japan is not much, to be honest with you. Although in Japan, pwede ka mag-arubaito or part-time job for 24 to 28 hours per week. In terms of cost of living to expense, hindi siya ganun kagaan or kadali. South Korea up until now, ang pinaka-affordable natin in terms of cost to return of investment. So as you can see on your screen, for Japan, ito pa rin ang costs natin. I put here the fees for Ryogaku and its affiliates. Okay? Then, ang tuition deposit na pineg natin, dahil bagsak din po ang lapad ngayon, or yen, maganda ang palitan. So, pabor sa mga international student. So, yan ang magagastusin. Ang airfare natin, we have to change this. Siguro, i-assume natin na ang Japan can be 10,000 pesos for one way. Visa, nasa 5K. Medical, 11,000. Insurance, hindi na need kasi covered ka naman kapag international student ka sa Japan. Emergency funds will vary on you. I always advise lang meron kang buffer for 3 months, but I'm not gonna put it here kasi hindi naman siya necessary. It's optional. Accommodation will vary, but 15,000 should be enough. So if you'll be studying in Japan and you really wanna go there, either in Tokyo, Yokohama, Hokkaido, maraming destination, maraming programs tayo dyan. Currently, our top destination is in Kyoto for master's degree program under KUWAS, which is our partner, and we are one of the few agent partners nila dito sa Pilipinas. Ito ang ilalabas ninyo. Okay, 336,000 Philippine peso ang rough estimate. If you can afford this cost, then definitely kaya ninyo yan magtuloy-tuloy for a study abroad program. Next time, magkano lang ang babayaran? Ito na lang po ang iipunin ninyo kung sakasakali man. Okay? Right. So anyway, if you have any questions, want to proceed for studying in Japan, all you have to do is message us on this account and we'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours and assist you in depth pagdating sa actual costing pa, depende sa specific na needs ninyo. Again, the costings I'm showing right now are general information so you have an idea where to start. Huwag mo muna nyo isipin kung saang country